Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Steam black screen error, Steam not loading problem. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Steam. Now here click on settings. Now here click on account. Here check this box, don't save account credentials on this computer. And click on change. In this drop down, select Steam beta update. Then click on OK. Again, click on OK. Now just you have to restart your Steam. So this is the way guys you can fix Steam black screen error on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos, and please comment on this method work for you or not.